So good morning, everyone. In the last class, I think we discussed question number 6, if I'm not wrong. Do you remember? We have solved question number 6. Sir, yesterday only 1,000 COVID cases came in Delhi. Oh my God. Okay. Now, let's take question number 6 then, if we have not discussed it. Question number 6 is saying DL and BM are heights on side AB and AD. So please explain 7. Okay, we have done this one, beta. I told you the hint. Okay, still, let me show you how it is solved if you want. They are saying DL and BM. So what is given to you, write it at this like DL equal to something, BM equal to something. Sir, we have done 6 only yesterday. Okay, just 1 second, I'm doing it fast. DL and BM are heights and AB and AD are respective base. If the area of parallelogram is given to you, any area ABCD is given as 1470 centimeter square. 5 people are in waiting room. AB is given to us. Kritika Kapoor, please give the syllabus. मुझे बहुत दुख है इस बात का. AD equal to 49 centimeter. Then we have find the length of beam. Okay, now class, tell me. So we have to start circles and square also. Yes. So we have AB and AD. We have to find DL and BM. Class, tell me what should I do first? I know area of ABCD can be written as what? Plus AB into what? If I go with AB as base, yes, but it is same as that only, Kritika, don't worry, it is same. Class, so if AB is base, what is the height? AB is the base, then DL is the height, very good. So we put the value of AB area is 1470, AB is given to us as 35. Can't we find DL very easily? We just need to isolate the DL and we'll get the answer. So this part is done. Now second part, same thing. Also, we know area of ABCD is also given by AD into BM. So please stop the video because sometimes it automatically gets pinned. Okay. If I switch off my video, okay, better let it be there na, because if you see me some extension of my hand, it will help you only. Okay, so this way also we know the value of ABCD is 1470 area and AD is given to you as 49 and BM is unknown. So again we will isolate the BM and get the answer of BM. Okay, so let's take question number 7 now. Let's take question number 7. I am erasing this one because yesterday also this was discussed. We just need to form an equation, and in the equation, if there is only one variable, we can always get the answer by isolating that variable. Okay? Sir, please speak louder. Oh my God. 1 second. Sound is not there. Okay. Question number 7. Sir, voice is okay. Triangle ABC is right angled at A. Triangle ABC right angled at A. You all can observe this thing, class. We have this triangle. The name is A, B, and C. They are saying it is right angled at A. Then class, tell me what is the hypotenuse? Please tell me what is the hypotenuse? If A is the right angle, then BC is the hypotenuse. Very good. Oh my God, Sarvagya, AC is not the hypotenuse. Always the side opposite to right angle is your hypotenuse. Don't confuse this thing. They are saying AD is perpendicular. So AD is perpendicular. I think they forgot to write this D over here. This is the perpendicular on BC. So let's draw a perpendicular like this. We all know perpendicular is a line standing on 90 degree. So this is your AD. Now they are saying, sir, can we take AB as base? You can take. Actually, this base and perpendicular can be exchanged with each other. That is not a problem. Okay. If I say this is a triangle, suppose this can be base and this can be perpendicular. or this can be perpendicular and this can be base. Both are correct. No issue. But the hypotenuse is fixed. The longest side is hypotenuse. Sir, but we generally take AD as perpendicular. Yes, but generally we take that. Okay. Now, they are saying AB is given to you as 5 centimeter. Please help me in this question. Okay. This is a little tough for me. BC is 13 centimeter. Okay. AC is 12 centimeter. And find the area of triangle ABC. Class, how will you find area of this triangle ABC? Please tell. Which side you will take as base, which side you will take as height? Just tell me the answer. But if you change the base, perpendicular will change only. We can take in this question, no, Ekta, no. If you take BC as base, you have to take AD as perpendicular, but you don't know the value of AD. That is a problem. Try to understand the question, the trick by the question paper. The question is trying you to take, there are two perpendiculars in the question. First perpendicular is on vertex A, second perpendicular is on D. But right now, what is feasible for us is this as base AB and this AC as the height. So we can say area of triangle ABC will be given by half into base into height. And the base for the first case we will take as AB and height we will take at AC. This way we'll get the answer easily. Put the values. Half. AB is how much? 5. AC is how much? 12. 2 6 are 12. 5 6 are 30 centimeter square. If you had taken BC as base and AD as height in the first place, you couldn't get the answer because AD is unknown to you. Are you able to understand this thing, class? If you take BC as base and AD as height, class, 1 second, I'm pausing the recording. Okay, so we have found the area of triangle ABC as how much? Please confirm. Mokshita, we have found area of triangle ABC by taking this AB as base and this AC as height. Okay, I've again repeated this question to you because this is perpendicular. I can take this as base and this as height, and I put the formula half base into height and got the answer. But I'm not able to understand that how you are getting to know that you will take BA as base or AC as base. Okay, again I'm repeating this thing. I'm repeating this question again. Just ये ग्राफिक कर लो मैथ्स के लिए ना पता चलिए that's why I have such a Okay, now class, the question is triangle ABC we are having like this. Please see carefully A, B and C. This is your right angle given to you, that right angle at A. AB is given to you as 5 centimeter. Sir, when you are erasing, a sound of scribbling of the pen was coming. So that's why I'm giving you the feel of classroom now, when we do on blackboard also. So we are having AB as 5 centimeter and AC as 12 centimeter. Just observe this thing. Now they are saying AD is perpendicular to BC. Okay. AD is perpendicular to BC. Find area of triangle ABC. And BC is also given to you as 13 centimeters. Suppose I go with your case and I try to find the area of triangle ABC by taking BC as base, that is half into BC into AD. Tell me, can you find the area using this formula right now? Can you tell me the area right now? Okay, Vani, then tell me half. BC is given to you as 13 centimeter. What is the value of AD? Yes, class. Can you find the area value of AD? Do you know the value of AD? Can you find the area like this? That's why I told you that we cannot go for this formula at first. Although this formula is correct, but we cannot find area of triangle using this formula right now because AD is missing as well as this is missing. In an equation, if there is only one variable, then only we can find the answer. Okay. So the only option which is left with us is to take AB as base and AC as initial. We will take AB as base and AC as height. Now tell, it is clear to you why I was taking AB as base and AC as height? Is it clear to you now? Okay. So we will say the area is given by half. This will also be used, but in later stage. Okay, Ashmit. So AB as base and AC as height. If you put the value, you will get 5 into 12. So again, dividing, you get the answer as 30 centimeter square. So that's why it is 90 degree. Yes, that's why they have given you 290-degree angles so that you can use both the cases. Now they are saying find the length of AD. Now can we find the length of AD, class? Please tell. In this equation, I can put value of area of triangle ABC as 30. We can put this value as 30. Half is given to us. 13 is given to us. So when you are writing, some voice is coming. Okay. Let me write it here then for you. So class, we can now use the area that we have found in the first step. This area we can put over here in the second equation. We can say the answer is half into 30 into AD. Earlier, it was not helping us, this formula, but now it will help us. That's the thing. So because of your video, I can't see the lower part. Okay, then I am switching off my video. My video should not trouble you like this. So class, now tell, are you able to understand? Are you able to understand this concept? Why I have taken AB as base and AC as height first, and after that I have taken BC as base and AD as height. So you have used two different bases and two different heights in the same triangle as per the requirements. That's it. So you have to understand this concept, when to use which base and when to use which height. That's it. Now, the second part, I think this is of similar question. This you can do on your own. Question number 8. Triangle ABC is isosceles with AB equal to AC. Let's see this question also. Sir, what is length of AD? Lavya, you can find this on your own. Let's see. It's very simple. AD is equal to 30 into 2 upon 13. If you solve it, it becomes 60 upon 13 centimeter. That's it. Now it is fine. Lavya? Lavya, now it's fine. Lavya, please confirm. Okay. Now let me erase this so that we can discuss the last question, question number 8. This question is very simple. We just need to understand that which side will be taken as height, which side will be taken as base. Now question number 8, triangle ABC is, so we have to write AD as 60 upon 13 centimeter square. It can side be measured in centimeter square? Are you sure about this? But sides are always measured in units normally, centimeters, meters, kilometers, and area is measured as centimeter square, kilometer square, millimeter square, that way. Okay, Titi? Don't get confused by these small mistakes. Now, the next question, question number 8, triangle ABC, like this. 1 second. ठीक है triangle ABC
क्योंकि सर को प्रॉब्लम हो रही है।
नहीं मैम हो गया, बस 5 मिनट चलो। ABC is a isosceles triangle plus we all know AB equal to AC is 7.5. So 7.5 centimeter, 7.5 centimeter. Then they are saying BC is 9 centimeter. This much is given to us. Now the height of the height AD, this is your height AD is 6 centimeter. Okay. Find area of triangle ABC. It's very easy. Class, can we find area of this triangle right now? If we know that this is base, this is height, we can say half into BC into AD. So background voice coming. Okay. I'm using earphone only, beta. So area is equal to this thing. So half into 9 into 6. If you solve this, the answer is how much? 27 centimeter square. Now they are saying what will be the height from C to AB. Class, can you find this height? Now if you have find area of triangle ABC, can you find this height CE now? It's very simple because we can use the same area again. We can say area is also given by half into new base. New base is AB now and new height is CE. So again, you will put the value of area is 27. Half is given to you. AB is how much? AB is 7.5. Now we can find the answer as by isolating the CE. Okay. Please confirm. Is it clear? In question number 8, first we have found the area taking this base as BC and height as AD. After that, sir, please one time isolate. Sarvagya, please stop this habit of spoon feeding. Okay. You should try these questions on your own first. Okay. Then when you're not able to understand, then you should ask. They are very easy. First, I have found the area taking BC as base and AD as height. After finding the area, I have again found the area equal to half into AB into EC. Same thing. Okay. Now, the next concept is circles. I'm just giving you the formula today. Next time we will discuss. Voice is breaking. Okay, 1 second. Now is it fine? My voice, please confirm. No, sir, it is fine. Okay. Now fine. Good. So the next concept is circles. Class, if you have studied circles in class 6th also, you must be knowing some basic formulas of circle. First of all, can you define circles to me? What do you mean by a circle? Class, can you define a circle to me? Class, can you define a circle to me? If I say you have to define circle, what will you say? Closed curved figure. Okay. This is also circle, Lavya. Lavya, it is also a curved and closed figure. Is this a circle? A figure with infinite symmetry. Very good. Circle is a 2D figure having all points at equal distance from center. Very much correct. So circle is a set of points. You can see these all are points. These all points are at equal distance from a fixed point, which is known as plus all the points, or you can say group of all the points which are at equal distance from a fixed point is known as circle. This is known as radius. R, yes, Bani, your definition is correct. Yours only I read. This is your center. Okay. So class, first thing that we study about circle is the circumference. Circle has infinite points. Yes, yes, Lavya, it has infinite points. Class, please tell me what is circumference of a circle, and it is similar to what? Class, what is circumference and how it is similar? Circumference is like perimeter. Circumference is like, Mokshita, if it is not that urgent, can you please wait for 5 more minutes? I will unmute you after that, okay? So circumference is like a perimeter of square and rectangle. And the formula of circumference is, anyone who knows the formula of circumference? It is the boundary. Yes, very good. Very good, Bani. The answer is 2 pi r. Okay, Mokshita, you want to tell circumference. No issue, I got. So 2 pi r is the formula for circumference, where pi equal to how much? Class, the value of pi is how much? It is 22.7. Very good. What is area of circle, class? What is area of circle? It is pi r square. Very nice. So let's see some figures over here. So you can see they all are trying to tell you the value of pi. Fine. Okay. They are saying what is circumference of a circle of diameter 10 centimeter. So class, if diameter is given to you, can you find the radius? But a pi is a irrational number. You will study about in class 9th also, don't worry. In class 9, you will get about it. Just use the value of pi. So diameter is how much? Diameter is 10 centimeter. So we know diameter is actually 2 into radius equal to 10 centimeter. So radius equal to how much? 10 upon 2, that is 5 centimeter. Can we find circumference now? Class, circumference is given by 2 pi r. Put the value 2 into 22 by 7 into r is 5. If you solve it, you get the answer as 10 into this thing, that is 220 upon 7. Bani, you are correct. There are two values of pi, 3.14 or 22 by 7. If question is saying take pi as this much, then you are bound to take. Then this is wrong. If question is saying take pi equal to 3.14, we should take pi as that only. Into this thing 10. Sorry, 5. The answer is 31.4 centimeter square. That's it. I'm closing the recording now.